thirsty. I'm gonna go get myself a drink of water. I just love my ice dispenser. And there's always some fall out on the floor. Oh, and my water still works. That's really, really good. Yeah, really good, good. Yeah, and you know what? Drinking water to keep yourself hydrated. Oh, really delicious. But I discovered a problem. Look. What? 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 No ice. My ice maker's quit. There's no ice cubes. What am I gonna do? Because, you know, sometimes a girl needs an old-fashioned. But that's a story for another day. Damn it. Well, oh, look at this blinking light. Okay, if I shut this off. See that blinking red light? That's supposed to go to solid red when I do that. Oh, it is now. Well, I know I'm not getting ice, and this is the deal. So I close that, lift this up, right back here. Right behind here. Yep, I can feel it. There's an icicle back there. That's where the tray fills up. So, this is an easy fix, kids. It's called get your tools. Vroom, vroom, hairdryer. Fortunately for me, the outlet is close by. I'm gonna plug it in. And for a few seconds, I'm gonna turn it on. Right here. I'm gonna put that on for a few minutes. Oh, I don't like, you know what? I think this refrigerator glow is very flattering to me. I think I'm gonna like this. I think things are gonna work out. So, I'm gonna do this for a few minutes until I hear water flowing, and then I'll wait for the clinkety clunk, and I'll come back. So for now, the Tenacious Bitch is signing out, and remember, if she can do it, I can do it. And I get two hands busy right now. I can't point to myself, but you know what I'm talking about. You know, the one you're looking at right now. If she can do it, you can do it too. Well, let's see. Ooh, I love that glow. So I haven't heard any ice cubes falling in here, but I can do this. So what I'm doing is lifting this up and sticking my finger in there. Oh, there's ice in there. It's gonna fall. Oh, I just stuck my finger through the top. Oh, I'm gonna have ice. Yay me. So just remember, if this Tenacious Bitch, if she can do it, if I can do it, you can do it too. Who knew that a hairdryer was such a useful tool? Until next time, Tenacious Bitch Sue signing off. And may your future be filled with lovely ice cubes.